300 into root 3 into root 3, that is 900. So 300 root 3 I have taken common, and what remains inside the bracket? This root 3 from this 900 minus 1, right? So root 3 gets cancelled. So x equals to what? 300 root 3 equals to 300 into 1.732, that is x equals to 519.6. Multiply this. So x, you got it. Height of the cliff is what now? X plus 300. 519.6 plus 300, 819.6 meters. That is the height of this cliff required. Okay. These problems need practice. Either you can solve this root 3 initially only, make 1.73, or as I have done it, do it at the end. Doing at the end will save one multiplication of yours, because doing this minus, and here you will have to multiply 2 times over here. Once for this and other 1.732, yeah, here somewhere it will be. So both ways you can do it as per your convenience. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.